Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next you can take a pair of dress and then we have to fold it like this. Now we have to take a needle and the thread. Now put these stitches as we are putting here. So you can see we are putting a kind of running stitches. So it's a X like shape we are making over it. So we are making the zigzag stitch, you can call it. So we are making an X like shape. So make the stitch till the end and cover it like this in the same manner. So you can see we are taking it till the end and following the steps. Now after that we have to fix the stitch till the end like this. Now after that we have to cover the dress. Take a green color thread and the needle and then put these stitches like this. Now after that we have to put the threads and the needle like this. And it's done. Next we have to take the purple dress and put the thread like this. So you can see how we are putting the running stitch over it. Now we have to put the thread and tie the knot like this. So you can see how we are fixing the threads as shown in the video on the cloth. So keep following these steps like this. So now stretch the threads as shown in the video and then you have to fix it. Now after that stretch the thread all together as shown in the video and fix it like this. And you got a frill like this. And your beautiful pattern is ready. Next you have to take a torn cloth. Now you can see how we are putting the running stitch over it. So put these stitches on the little bit gaps like this and take it till the top. So you can see it's done. Now we have to just put the threads in the middle of it like this and tie it and fill the stitches like this. So you can see how we are putting it. So it's basically we are filling the stitch so that the torn cloth gets hide and the stitch too. So fix it like this and it's done. Next you have to take a jeans, fold it inwards. Now take a thread and the needle. Now you can see we have to put the running stitch like this or the chain stitch you can see. So we are putting the chain stitch till the end and cover the jeans till the end. So you can see now after putting the chain stitch, you have to put the needle in the between and remove the middle part of the stitch like this. So you can see we have to pull it out. Now you will get that stitches are gone inside and you will get a finished look outside like this. Next you have to take a torn cloth. Now we have to put the threads and the needles like this and stitch the cloth on the side. So you can see how we are putting the stitches. So put it one by one and then you have to close it. So you can see how we are putting the stitches and covering it. Take it till the top and close it and put it till the end like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Put it till the end and cover it. Now after you are done with the stitches, you can see we are fixing the threads like this. So keep fixing it till the end like this. It's done. Thanks for watching our video.